10 amazing facts about NASA. Fact number 1. NASA is currently working on the development of a Star Trek-style warp drive that could get astronauts to Alpha Centauri's second nearest star to the Sun in just 2 weeks. Fact number 2. 12 men have walked on the moon, all during the Apollo missions. Fact number 3. NASA will pay you $15,000 to lay in bed 24 hours a day for 90 days to measure the effects of zero gravity on your body. Fact number 4. NASA admitted that they no longer had the original videotapes of the moon landing because they recorded over them. Fact number 5. There is a large area over Brazil where the Earth's magnetic field is weakened. Fact number 6. NASA has an Office of Planetary Protection, just in case we do indeed find life on other planets. Fact number 7. NASA recorded the radio signature of Earth and converted it to an audible Earth sign. Fact number 8. NASA found a strange cosmic noise that booms 6 times louder than expected, known as the space roar. Fact number 9. In order for NASA to recognize you as an astronaut, you must travel higher than 50 miles from the Earth's surface.